another video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications to get notified every time we post. With that being said, that's why I fam. Tune into the video, y'all. This is gonna be a multi-video intro. So yeah, you guys tap in. Make sure y'all follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Follow us at SOI Customs. You guys, let's get into this video.
So you guys, these are the new look like the tail lights for Project OBS. So yeah, y'all, these are the new ones. We're black housing with a chrome like finish. So it was supposed to do like the LED like bright red ones, but it didn't work out. So I decided to switch it up a little bit. So let's get these installed, y'all. And it's like dark outside, so yeah, we about to get these installed.
Alright, y'all. Let me grab the toilet paper. I gotta replace this also, y'all. But I think I'm gonna invest in getting a little soft touch one. One thing I learned about working on old school stuff, you always find you're missing something. And to be able to pull it out. There we go. Unplug it. Got the old one out. Got the old one out, y'all. Alright. Let's slap the bulb in real quick. Alright, it's in. I'm gonna do a test thing and actually plug this in and see if it works. So yeah, I'm about to do a test one real quick. Check the brake lights and stuff and see if it actually works like it's supposed to. So you guys, I just see it actually works. I can't check the reverse lights right now because we currently changing the all up there. So we kind of multitasking. This video is the day before Dunkmaster event, so I'm actually trying to get the truck ready so we can go. So we gonna tuck this. Moving that back in there. Give y'all a quick glance at it. So once I put the other screw in, I gotta find another screw. Once I put that in, it'll button that all the way back up. So alright, you guys, since I'm doing this in the dark, I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt the second one, put it in, and then like I said, we're in the middle of changing the oil and everything, so we multitasking. So I'm gonna unbolt the second one and put it in, and then test it, make sure everything is working, and then I'll show y'all the final product. So you guys, we went with some LED brake lights. We got 2 screws in here, one right here, and it's supposed to be one more. Supposed to be one up here, you guys, but I only got one here. Yeah. So you got on this side, you got 2 screws, one up here, and one up here. So I'm missing screws, so I know I'm fixing to drag one from the parts truck, and then just go from there. Alright, you guys. So now we're fixing to install the 3rd brake light, and y'all, my best friend. So I'm gonna cut the camera, install this. There's 2 screws. They gave you 2 new screws, so we can put this together and put the metal piece in there and stuff like that. So yeah, we're about to install this.